Hi students, today we are going to look at some sentences and try to find the errors. So you will probably need a piece of paper for this, or you can just do it orally if you want. But if you want to do it on paper, get paper and number 1 to 8. I'm going to remind you that most of these sentences are focused on adjectives and adverbs, but I have snuck a few other things in. So let's just to remind you what adjectives and adverbs are, which is which. Adjectives describe nouns. So in this sentence here we have the big fuzzy bear growled at him. Bear is the noun and big and fuzzy are the adjectives. And remember that adverbs describe verbs and they usually tell how somebody does something. So she quietly told him the truth. Quietly is the adverb. A lot of adverbs end in ly, and told is the verb. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sentence, and feel free to press the pause button if you want to go nice and slowly. And you are to find the error and then rewrite the sentence or just say it out loud, one or the other. So number 1, he's not enough strong to carry that box by himself. He's not enough strong to carry that box by himself. And the answer is he's not strong enough to carry that box by himself. With enough, it comes after the adjective, okay? Number 2, Andrea looks beautifully in that dress. Andrea looks beautifully in that dress. And the answer, or the correct, is that Andrea looks beautiful in that dress. There's no ly because it is talking about Andrea. Okay? If it was how she looked, that would be different. But she looks beautiful, or the beautiful refers to Andrea. Number 3, he has been recent in the hospital. He has been recent in the hospital. And the answer is he has been recently in the hospital. Has been is the verb, and when was he there? Recently. So it refers to the verb when he was there. Number 4, you are such kind woman. You are such kind woman. You are such a kind woman. I slid in a little determiner. You are such a kind woman. Number 5, he works hardly. He works hardly. And the answer, he always works hard. He always works hard. No ly. Number 6, she's enough shy to be a teacher. She's enough shy to be a teacher. She's shy enough. Remember, enough comes after the adjective. She's shy enough to be a teacher. This ice cream tastes deliciously. This ice cream tastes deliciously. This ice cream tastes delicious. Delicious refers to the ice cream, and that is why it is an adjective and not a noun. Not an adverb. The child smiled sweet at the photographer. The child smiled sweet at the at the photographer. The child smiled sweetly. That's the way the child smiled. So sweetly describes smiled, which is a verb. I hope you enjoyed these. We'll see you next time.